Guys and girls, the mechanic starting now to...
Parang ang dami yung ang dami nilang pinalitan dito ah.
Oo nga po eh. Napansin nyo rin pala. Ay, sir, na ano yung ano? Dito kaya kuya, kaya ba dito? Ayan, dyan na lang. Ayan. The mechanic starting to pulling it off to fix my shock absorber here. You would notice I didn't have the service of Rodel because he's not complying on my chat. I'm asking him about a certain spare parts but he's not responding. That's why I felt a little bit disgusted and disappointed because he's just shrugging his shoulder, I know. So he didn't bother to care on my inquiry. That's why I chose here. Angono pa rin to, sir, no? In Angono. Bye for now.